Yes. We're going to do Sky High now.
Ready?
There aren't any red goals for Sky High. We'll just do it again. Now we can do the green goal. We can do the green goal now. Which is simple. The green goal.
Ready? Select stage.
Hey. Choice. Yeah. There's a blue goal and a green goal. Surprisingly, this was in city background in Multiple 1 and in competition mode. But this is a Sky High version of this stage. Whoa.
Ready?
There's a green goal for this level. I was able to get to the green. Wow, that was amazing. I did it without, got the time bonus, which makes it even better. Which just makes it better. Really, which actually makes it better. That was amazing.